All right, guys, it's grand prize drawing time. So all the racing's over. The dust has settled. We got our grand prize drawing, which is going to be a drawing for anybody who entered a car. And every car, every entry gets that. So if you had a car that raced 3 classes, you got 3 tickets in here for that particular car. Just a quick shout out to our sponsors. All of our sponsors: Harry Canary Bodies, DeFalco Design, Super Tires, Jag Hobbies, Lucky Bob's, Bomb Ass Beef Jerky, AFX, BRS Hobbies, Hardin Creek Slots, Midland Radio, Cody Clark, Radical Bodies, Enzo Rings, Viper Scale Racing, RC Superstore, Photo Finish Bodies, Host Bodies, and Mike Scholl. So we have all of our grand prize stuff out here. We have 2 gift certificates that it's basically store credit that are donated to you guys from Mike Scholl. So $25 here. Viper's thrown in a couple $25 gift cards. 4 $10 ones. Stuart Barber from Midland Radio has donated these. And we got a car from HC Slots and BRS Hobbies right here, and a couple of custom armatures. So all these tickets here have your name on them and what entry is associated with the winnings. And also too, on stuff like this bigger stuff, you guys definitely are responsible for the shipping on that. But we're going to go ahead and we will draw for this first. Oh my gosh, it was upside down. The emergency alert weather radio. So the winner of that, Ronnie Mullins, Blue 75. Blue 75 is the winner of that. So congrats, Ronnie. Next up, we will do a Viper $25 gift card. Also, too, if the person that donated the prize gets pulled, I'm going to redraw it. Okay, so this one is going to be Cody Clark, $25 gift card. Cody Clark, crazy. The first 2 guys are Colorado guys. Next up, we will do this car. So this is a Camaro, the Shock Yellow, donated by BRS Hobbies. Dave Goodwin, white 81. Dave Goodwin, you are the winner of that car. So congratulations. Awesome job. Next up, we'll do a Viper $10 gift card. $10 gift card, Cody Clark. Cody Clark, another gift card. He's going to be on a shopping spree. See, that's both Cody's. Next up, we'll do a custom armature. We'll do this one here. It's a 34 gauge armature, Viper timed. Stuart Barber. Stuart Barber, congratulations. That over there, Stuart. Good job. We'll do $25 gift card donated by Mike Scholl. William Franks. So Billy Franks, that is yours. Congrats. Thank you for your entries. We'll do a $10 Viper gift card, guys. Mike Kendall. Mike Kendall, $10 gift card. So congratulations. Congratulations. Next up, we'll do the 2-way radio, 22 channel, donated by Stuart Barber, Midland Radio. If I draw Stuart's name, I'll draw again. Richard Maupin, white 91 was the entry that got that one. So white 91 is the entry that got that one. Oh, that's for that thing. Hold up. I gotta get stuff more organized here, guys. Otherwise, it's gonna be getting exciting later.
Flop them behind you.
Yeah, I'll probably put them on the track. So next up, Viper $10 gift card. Cody Clark. Man, Cody Clark is killing it on the gift card. It's $55 so far. All right, we'll do this custom limited edition by HC Slots right here. GT40, that goes to Rob Herbert. So Rob Herbert, congratulations on that one. We'll put that back here. Rob Herbert. So we are down to a couple more gift cards. We'll do another one from Mike Scholl here. Richard Maupin, white 91 again. Is that the same? Yeah, holy smokes. 2 of them. So that car was entered in 2 classes. He might have even won that class and won those. Amazing. We'll do Viper $10 gift card. Kevin Stalker, yellow 45 was the entry that got that one. Congratulations, Kevin. Next up, the 2-way radios. That is going to be Stuart Barber. Knew that was going to happen.
He's all, damn it.
Yeah, he actually wanted it. Sorry,
Yeah.
Stuart. Cody Clark with red 62. Cody Clark with red 62. That is a heck of a haul for Cody. All right, last up, these 2 right here. So we got a 33 gauge arm. 33 gauge arm, that's what is being run in Pro Index and Top Fuel. Kevin DeLucia, white 94. So Kevin DeLucia, congratulations. Got another Top Fuel arm. And our last prize, Viper Scale Racing, $25 gift card / store credit. Ian Singletary. So Ian Doc Singletary with white 32. I think that was one of the vans. So congrats on that. The rest of these guys are out. So that is it. That wraps up our event. Thanks a lot, guys. We really appreciate you making this the biggest and baddest event ever. And they'll only continue to get better. So shout out to all of our people that sent in cars. If you want to get in on this action and you're not sure where to start, reach out to Viper, support at viperscaleRacing.com, and we'll help you get set up. It doesn't cost a lot of money. You could get in on this for $10 for a rental, or you could buy any car you wanted. Super inexpensive. It doesn't matter how fast it is. Get in on the action. We'll see you on the next one, next race. Have a good one.